In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your website to your web server. So start ViziGen-Page and load a project. So I've deliberately loaded that particular project because it doesn't reveal my FTP credentials. So let's take a look at these FTP credentials. If you go to the Globals tab and click on the root node, the project form is displayed, and in the third section, Remote File System, you can see 4 text boxes which take FTP details. These are the details that ViziGen-Page needs to be able to transfer all of your website files from your local computer onto your web server. Now, if you have a web server, then you need to contact somebody who looks after the technical side of things and get the FTP credentials, the host name, which will be a domain name like mydomain.com, an FTP username which you'll be given, and an FTP password. And those FTP details will give you access to a particular folder on your web server. Now, if your website resides in that folder, you can leave project folder blank. But if it resides in a folder underneath that root folder, then you'll have to provide the path to it here. So I don't want to reveal my FTP details to you, so I'm going to close this project and open another one which has them. So I'm not going to go on that Globals tab and reveal the details. We're going to go on to the Website Files tab, and you would click on the Generate button if you hadn't already done that, to generate all of your website files. I've just quickly done that, and then you would click on the Start button to start the upload process. So I've clicked that now, and what the application does is it goes through all of its files, all of the files that have been generated for the website, and it checks to see which of them have changed, and it only uploads the changed files. So what it's done now, it's been through all of those files, it's worked out that we need to upload all of them, and it's now going through the process of transferring them to the web server. So on the left hand side you can see details of the files, and on the right hand side there's details of the bytes in those files. So we are 97% complete with regard to the bytes, 75% complete with regard to the number of files. So we're there now, we've done it. So what you would do next is start your web browser and go to your domain. Now, if you want to have a look at the training course as it is on the ViziGen website, then go to http://ViziGen-Page/KGSR. And this is the website as it was just uploaded. These are big image files, that's why it takes a while to render them. In a real world situation you would optimize them so they took up less space. But once they're loaded, they display quite quickly. Okay, that's it. Oh, I made a mistake. I have to go and correct that. Well, that's an interesting exercise, isn't it? We have a mistake in the link. So let's just fix it. There's an S missed off at the end. So if we quickly update, save, generate, start, go back to the web browser, refresh, click. There we go. That shows you how quick and easy it is to make changes.